If you serve an international audience, having a multilingual site can help you reach your target markets. From cover pages, folders, index pages, and text links, Squarespace offers the tools you need to build a multilingual site. In this video, you'll learn how to build your Squarespace site in multiple languages by using these elements as well as other external resources. While the recommended structure varies by template, content, and taste, all multilingual Squarespace sites generally follow this formula. A cover page set as the site's homepage, serving as the gateway for your site with buttons for each language. An index page or folder in the first language with nested pages. An index page or folder in the second language with nested pages. The first pages in our demo sites are full bleed landing pages with buttons that lead to the different language sections. Cover pages are a powerful introduction to a site and guide visitors to pick their language. You'll be able to add a cover page to your site no matter what template you're using. To start, add a cover page to the Not Linked section. Select your layout. Add your imagery. Enter a title, headline, or body text under the Branding and Text panel. In the Actions panel, add buttons that link to each language's index page or the first page of the folder. Style your cover page within the Style panel. When you're done, set the cover page as your home page. Since multilingual sites have the same design and content across all languages, pages within the index page or folder are typically duplicates of the first language, with translated content to help achieve consistency. After duplicating each page, simply edit and translate all page content manually to reflect the second language. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.